Main chapter, the title of the chapter is Lines and Angles. Lines and Angles. Okay. See, what is a line, my dear students? Line means, a line means it has no end points. No end points. A line means no end points. See, we can what? Produce on either sides. We can produce on either sides. Right. So here there is ray means what? A ray means it has only one end point. There is no other point end point. So this is a ray and this is a straight line. Straight line. This is a straight line. Right. Line segment means it is part of line. Line segment means it has two end points, A and B. That means it is like a finite. We can measure this, but we cannot measure this straight line, my dear students. Why? There are no end points. Okay, AB is part of a line. A line. AB means it is a line segment. It is a part of a line, right? What is an angle, my dear students? Angle means it is the union of two rays. So OA is a ray and OB is another ray. OA and OB are two rays and it is joined, that is union of with the vertex O here. So this measure is called angle. Angle AOB. Generally we can define ray means the union of two rays. Here it is a common vertex. Okay. See, my dear students, the main topics here in this chapter are, the first one is intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting means what? If I give you two lines to you or two sticks to you, you can arrange like this. Two sticks. And you can arrange like this also. Or you can arrange like this. Okay. Or you can arrange like coincident lines or overlapping. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, my dear students, if you observe these two lines, if you produce also and on either side, they do not intersect. They do not intersect like this. Okay, so they are non-intersecting lines. We can say parallel lines also. Parallel. But here they are intersecting at one point. So this point, at this point, this is the common point or intersecting point of the two straight lines. But here they are not intersecting. But if you produce them at somewhere they intersect. If you produce these two lines at somewhere, at some place they may intersect. These two lines are overlapping here. That means it has a common solution and both the straight lines representing a single straight line like that. Okay, so I hope you understand what intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines has only one common point, but non-intersecting lines has no common point. They are called simply parallel lines. Coming to the other part here, other topic, concurrent lines. See, my dear students, concurrent means, what is concurrent? Concurrent means, see for example, here I have three markers here. These three markers here have the common point like this. They are intersecting at one point. So we can say these three lines, for example, this is L, this is M and other point, and other line is some N. These 3 points intersecting at one point. So we can say they are called concurrent lines. Concurrent means 3 or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. They are called concurrent. What is concurrent? 3 or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. This point is called point of concurrence. Point of concurrence. Okay. See, my dear students, you know triangle. See, if you draw the perpendicular bisectors of the triangle, you can draw three perpendicular bisectors to a triangle. These perpendicular bisectors are concurrent lines. Perpendicular bisectors. Why? These three lines passing through the same point. This point of concurrence is called circumcenter. And if you draw a circle means which passes through the three vertices, that is called circumcircle. Okay, like that, if you draw a medians to the triangle, these three are also, medians are also concurrent lines. Similarly, the altitudes are also concurrent lines. Concurrent means three or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. Okay, my dear students. Now, coming to the exercise 4.1, just simply I will explain this exercise 4.1. Just open your textbook to page number 74. Turn your textbook to page number 74, my dear students. And please look at exercise 4.1. 4.1. First sum. In the given figure, name any 6 points. This is very simple sum. You can try it. Any 6 points. That means there are many points are there, not only 6. Here, X, A, M, N, Y, C, F, H. Please look at your textbook. H, Q, P, B, D. These all are the points. So you can take any 6 points from these points. Right. Any 6 points you can write. The second one is any 5 line segments. As I told you, line segment means it has 2 endpoints. So here, my dear students, you can take any 5 line segments here in this figure. In this figure, right? So let me read out the line segments. I will take 5, but you can take more also. Right, my choice is AX is a line segment. Here, AX is a line segment. AX. I will write the points also. A, comma, X, comma, M, comma, E, comma, AX, ME, Y and N. These are the 6 points. Now what are the line segments here? AX is a line segment. CY is a line segment. YN is a line segment. MN is a line segment. These are line segments. Okay, my dear students. Coming to the third one, any 4 rays. Rays means, as I told you, it has only one end point. There is no other end point. That means here, the rays are, number 3. The rays are, XA is a ray. ME is a ray. ME is a ray. Okay. The next one is NF is a ray. NF. This is another ray. Right. Any 4 rays. One more you tell me, my dear students. QH is a ray. QH. Right. These 4 are the rays. And any 4 lines. Next fourth one is any 4 lines. Lines means it has no end points. Both sides you will find the arrows. Okay. So EF is a straight line. Next one is AB is a straight line. AB. Yeah, you have to represent like this for straight line. And CD is a straight line. CD. CD is a straight line. We should write one more. EF we write. GH. GH is what? Is a straight line. Now coming to the fifth one, any 4 collinear points. Collinear means, I forgot to tell you, my dear students, collinear means points which lies on the same straight line are called collinear points. There are infinitely many points which lies in the same straight line. Infinitely many points. But these points are called collinear. Collinear means, please write down, points lies in the same straight line are called collinear. Right. Here, just name any 4 collinear points. So the collinear points means XMPB. XMPB. P, B. These all are collinear points. These all are lies on the straight line AB here. Lies on the straight line AB. This is AB. AB. Right. Coming to the second straight line, there are C, Y, N, Q, D. These are the points. C, Y, N, Q, D. C, Y, N, Q, D. These are the points on the straight line CD. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand this first question. So, it's very simple now, my dear students. In the first one, from figure, we have to write the points. Second one, line segments. The third one is rays. Fourth one is straight lines. And fifth one is collinear points. Okay. Now, second question. Observe the following figures and identify the type of angles in them. Okay. Here, 8 o'clock is there. 8 o'clock. Coming to the second sum, 8 o'clock. So, what is the angle between that minute's hand and hour's hand? The angle is, it is greater than 180 degrees and less than 270 degrees. That means, what is the name of that angle? If it is greater than greater than 180 degrees and less than 270. Let me explain before we start this question. Okay. There are types of angles. Types of angles. Angle means, as I told you, my dear students, the union of two rays. It has a common vertex also. So, what is the types of angles? Right angle. Right angle means the first one, an important one. The angle between two rays is 90 degrees. That is called right angle. Right angle. We can also call perpendicular. Right angle is angle. Right. The next one is acute angle. Acute angle means, my dear students, the angle between two rays is acute. See, my dear students, here. This is right angle. The angle between the two pens is right angle here. This is angle, right angle. And you can find this angle. The vertex angle is 90 degrees here. And this vertex angle is 90 degrees. Okay, the angle between myself and the ground, the floor is 90 degrees. Okay, right. So you can give more examples from our daily life. The right angles, you can give more examples from our daily life. Okay, if I put a hand like this, the angle between these two arms, this cockpit, this angle is 90 degrees. See, look here. If it is less than 90, that is acute angle. Like this, my dear students. These two angles, the angle between these two rays is acute angle. Right, this is right angle. Right angle, right? Right angle. Okay. So acute angle means which is less than 90 degrees. That means it is between 0 to 90 degrees. 0 to 90 degrees. Right. Coming to the other angle, that is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. This is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. That means, for example, my dear students, 91 degrees to 179 degrees. You can take any one of the angle from 91 to 179 degrees. Okay, my dear students. The next one is here. Obtuse angle is over. The next angle is reflex angle. Let me show you that obtuse angle from these two pens. Right. This is what? Right angle. This is right angle. This is less than 90. This is acute angle. And if it is greater than 90, like this, greater than 90, this is obtuse angle. See, my dear students, here this is acute angle. This is what? Can you see here? This is right angle. And if it is more than 90, this is what? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. 180 degrees means straight line like this. The angle between my two hands. Straight line. Okay. 180 degrees like this. 180 degrees, straight line, my dear students. Okay, this is 90, less than 90, acute angle. More than 90 means obtuse angle. This is straight angle, means 180 degrees. So right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. Reflex angle means this angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 270 degrees. More than 180. That means this is 180, no, my dear students, this angle. The angle between this side, look here. This is 180 degrees and this angle is more than 180 and less than 270. This is 270. 90, 90 and 90. 90, this is 90 and this is 390s are there. 190, second 90, third 90. So this is 270 actually. Now reflex angle means more than 180 and less than 270. So this angle is reflex angle, reflexive angle. Reflexive means more than 180 and less than 270. Okay. More than 180 and less than 270. That means 181 to 269. You can take any one of the angle, right? So that is reflex angle. The next one is complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degrees. Complete angle means 360 degrees. Circular angle, right? So here if the two pens are coincide each other means the angle between these two pens is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Okay, understand, my dear students? So these are the types of their angles. Now here, my dear students, okay, my dear students, now you have a clear idea about the angle and types of angles, right? Now in the second question, observe the following figures and identify the type of angles in them. Type of angles in them. Okay. See here, state whether the following, second sum, 8 o'clock. Here in this 8 o'clock, I will show you the figure here, 8 o'clock. So what is the angle between minutes hand and hours hand here? If it is 6 o'clock, 180 degrees. But it is more than 180 degrees, no, my dear students. 8 o'clock means that is more than 180 and less than 270. That is called reflexive angle. Okay. Here there is a L shape. Actually, I don't know the name of this, but the carpenters use this instrument, this device, no, to find the angle. Right. So what is the angle between these two sides here? These two arms, 90 degrees, right? The third one is there is a carom board is there. Do you play carom board? Right. Here, what are the angles here? Following figure and identify the type of the angles in them, right? Here, the angle between these two is 90, 90, 90, 90, and there are many. You can see there and find out their angles and name them also for the third sum in second set. Now coming to the third question, my dear students, state whether the following statements are true or false. Right. Let me read out the first question. A ray has no end point. No end point? A ray has one end point. So it is false. Line AB is the same as line BA. Is AB and BA are same? AB and BA, yes, both are same, right? A ray AB is the same as the ray BA. No, they are not same. Why? The ray AB, coming to the ray AB, A is the end point for AB ray. But coming to the BA ray, the end point is different here. The end point is B, not A. Okay. Coming to the fourth question, my dear students. A line has definite length. A line has definite length. Definite means what? A line has, it's a measurable length. No, it is infinite length. A line has, as I told you, it's an infinite. But a line segment is a definite length. Now coming to the fifth question, fifth one statement, a plane has length and breadth but no thickness. A plane has length and breadth but it has no thickness. It is true only. Sixth one, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Two distinct points always determine a unique line. So there are two distinct points. This always determine a unique line. Yes, it is true. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. No. If two lines are intersecting means it has only one point. May intersect in only one point. That means it has unique solution. Okay, that is false. Coming to the eighth one, two intersecting lines cannot both be parallel to the same line. Two intersecting lines cannot be both parallel to the same line. Yes, it is true. There are two intersecting lines here. These two intersecting lines cannot be both parallel to the same line. Yes, these two cannot be parallel to the same line. It is true only. Now my dear students, fourth one is very simple. That fifth class students also can do the sums. What is the angle between two hands of clock when the time is in the clock 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock, 9, 12 and this is 9. So what is the angle? 9 o'clock means? Yeah, that is 270 degrees. 6 o'clock, 180 degrees. 7 p.m. p.m. means, yeah, a.m., p.m. are there? No. Anti-meridian, prime meridian. 7 p.m. means, what is the angle between minutes hand and hours hand? That is what? More than 180 degrees. 6 o'clock is 180 degrees. 7 o'clock is more than 180 degrees. So that is called what? Reflexive angle. I hope you understand this exercise 4.1 and the main concepts of this chapter. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.